Today I am going to explain the Quickstart Apex project in the Trilate. In this topic, how to create a Apex class and then add a method to the class and invoke and test the code and verify the updated account. So first I will go for this topic. I will take the create an Apex class. So here, what is meant by Apex? Apex is a strongly typed and object-oriented programming language that allow developer to execute the flow and the transaction control statement on the Salesforce platform. This is the official definitions of Apex class. And so create an Apex class. So you have to go to the playground. I have created one playground. Just click the launch button. So in this playground, just click setup. There is a settings. Under the settings, there is a developer console. And then go to the file and select new and select Apex class. So and then go to here, copy the class name. So there is a settings and select the developer console, and then from the file menu, select new Apex class and then copy this class name, older account utility. Just copy this class name. Paste here. This is the class name. Just click OK. So now the class look like this. What is meant by public? The public means we can access the class to within the org, and then private means we can access this class into within the class. Okay, and then protected means this class can access the inner class. And then if you declare the global means this class can access the outside the org. This class can access the outside of the org anywhere within the class. So this is a class name. Okay, I created one class. Otherwise, you can just copy paste from developer console. Just click verify this step to earn the points. Now click the next topic. So here just we are going to add one method into within the class. So here public static void update older account. This is a method name. So here the class add a method to the class. A class usually contains one or more method that do something useful. So this is I will copy this method name. I will copy this code to here and then go to our class. So you have to paste within the class. So this is our method name. This is our class name. This is the SOQL query. So just our variable. Okay. So we are taking the account object. In the account object, we select ID comma description from account object. In the account object, we are just selecting the ID and the description. Ordered by created date, ascending order, limit equal to 5. Now here. So now you have to see this one. I have to copy properly. And then paste here. And paste here. Now look at here. Yeah. So it's copied properly and then save. So here what they said, already there is we are querying up to 5 record ascending order based on the created date. We are updating the existing record. There is a existing record, there is a description field. In the description field, just we are going to update the heritage account. Okay, so let's see the output. Save and then go to our triallet. Just we created one method name. Just go to the next one. So here, if you want to execute any class in the developer console, you should follow the class name dot method name. Okay. Now how to copy this one? Class name dot method name. Just go to the account. Okay. Just go to the debug. Open execute anonymous window. Select and then enter your code. This is our. So you have to copy the. This is our class name. This is our class name dot. You have to just type it. You will automatically will get the method name. Otherwise, just update. Just type dot. You can see update older accounts. So you will get the method name here because you are passing the method inside the class. Just here and then semicolon. Yeah, like this also you can type it and then click execute. You can see the output. Success. And then you can see this is the SQL query. The record up to 5 record it will updated. This is the ID. And then click debug only. Now, if you want to see the output, go to the sales application. Select the account object. So click here, select all account. So now we will follow the next step. Just we are updated and executed and then click verify the steps. Click tackle the next step. So here just we are going to verify the updated account. Okay. So in your Triallet playground, this is a plunger and select sales under all up, click account tab and click recently viewed to show the list of view and then select all account. Okay. I selected all account and then click settings, select field to display, move last modified date. Okay. To the visible field column and then click save. So here there is a select field to display. Select last modified field. Select modified. What is the field name? Select modified date. Select modified date field last modified date field, and then add. I will just put up, select this one, and then up, click up arrow. It will goes to up. Under the account name, I put the last modified date, and then click save. So I put the last modified date. Based on the last modified date, the recent 5 record will update. Let's see. And then one of the 5 most recently modified account record, use the last modified date to find this account. The click details and look the description field, and value should be heritage account. Go to here. So recently 11/10/2020. I opened this record. Go to the detail tab. Select, scroll down. There is a description, updated the heritage account. I will open one more account. Select all account. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So limit 5 means this is the ascending order. This is the down to half. This is the descending order. Okay. Now I put the, in the coding, I put the ascending order. Look at the ascending order, limit equal to 5 means, so ascending order wise, the last 5 record will be updated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let me open this one. Go to the detail. So there is a description. One second. This one, detail. Recently viewed. So based on the last modified date, the last, I will open this one. Let's see. Go to the detail mode. So here you can see heritage account. Same thing. I can open this record. Good details. So you can see. So up to 5 record, the description has been updated heritage account. So just click challenge. Wow, it has been passed the challenge. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.